Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. So if your Snapchat account is permanently locked, you don't need to panic because you might still have a chance to recover it by following the steps that I'm going to tell you. So before I tell you the solutions, I'm going to tell you why your Snapchat account lock. So Snapchat may permanently lock accounts for first violating a community guidelines such as inappropriate content or harassment, or using third-party apps or plugins such as Snapchat Plus Plus or Phantom, or maybe you are sending spam or fake friend requests, or maybe Snapchat locate there's some suspicious activity on your account. Maybe you're logging from different locations frequently. So the steps to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. First, you can try unlocking via the Snapchat website. So you can just go to the Snapchat support, Snapchat's account unlock page. Here you can go to your browser and then just go find the Snapchat unlock page. So in here you can just go to this my Snapchat is locked, so you can just read in here, and for example you can just tap on this and you can just click on no, and then you can just answer and give them feedback first and wait until that they contact you. And you can also just try to see the options to unlock. You can just click it and wait for Snapchat to process your request. Second method, you can contact the Snapchat support. Again, in here you can just open your Snapchat support like this and go to the option I cannot access my account, this one for example, and here choose my account is locked, and then open this page right here. So you can just find the options to contact the Snapchat support, and then you can just fill in your Snapchat username, email, and phone number and explain why your account was locked. As you guys can see, you can just log in to your Snapchat account in here or find the options to contact them. After that, you can submit the request and wait for a response from Snapchat. And the last method that you can do is create a new Snapchat account if recovery fails. So if Snapchat confirms that your account is permanently locked with no chance of recovery, your only option is to create a new account. So you can use a different email or phone number and avoid third-party apps or plugins, and you need to follow the Snapchat's guidelines to prevent future bans. So in conclusion, if your Snapchat account was permanently locked, you can try unlocking it via website first. If that doesn't work, you can contact the Snapchat support with a detailed request. And if all else fails, you may need to start fresh with a new account. So don't forget to always follow Snapchat rules to avoid getting locked out again. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.